Now keep your hands on the shoulder, elbow close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now relax. Take deep inhale and exhale. Now finger lock front side. Inhale, open your chest and look up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, both hands on the knee. Look at your navel point. Focus on your breathing. Inhale, look up. Keep breathing. Focus on your breathing. Exhale, both hands on the knee. Look at your navel point. Inhale, look up. Keep breathing. Exhale. Exhale. Focus on your breathing. Inhale, look up. Keep breathing. Exhale. Focus on your breathing. Look down. Inhale, center. Now relax. Take deep inhale and exhale. Now this rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Now fingers open and close. Okay, relax. Now inhale, left hand up, right hand on the ground, in front of your hip line. Now inhale and exhale, look up, keep breathing. 1, 2, upper shoulder push back. 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale, look up, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale, look up, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, center. Exhale, look up, keep breathing. Upper shoulder push back. Focus on your breathing. Inhale, center. Exhale, relax. Take deep inhale and exhale. Now both hands in the shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. Turn your body back. Look at your back hand. Focus on your breathing. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Turn back. Keep breathing. Both hands in a line. Inhale, center. Exhale. Keep breathing. Inhale, center. Exhale. Focus on your breathing. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Keep breathing. Both hands in a line. Look back. Inhale center. Exhale. Keep breathing. Inhale center. Now relax. Take deep inhale and exhale. Now finger lock. Inhale. Raise your hand up. Palm facing towards ceiling. Keep your hands back. Focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Look up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Relax. Now one more time. Inhale up. Keep your hands back. Focus on your breathing. Now inhale and exhale. Look up. Focus on your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Look front. Exhale. Bend on the right side and look up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Relax. Take deep inhale and exhale. Now finger lock. Back side. Open your chest. Shoulder away from the ear. Inhale. Lift your hand. Focus on your breathing. Look up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Bend forward. Focus on your breathing. 1. Inhale and exhale. Turn your body left side and bend left side. Focus on your breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Now turn your body right side. Inhale and exhale. Bend forward. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Now keep your hands back. Inhale and exhale. Lift your hip. Look up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Relax. Now again finger lock. Inhale. Raise your hand up. Palm facing towards ceiling. Focus on your breathing. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Bend on the right side. Look up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, inhale and exhale. Turn your body and both elbow on the ground. Keep breathing. 1, 2, look down. 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Again finger lock. Focus on your breathing. Stretch yourself. Inhale and exhale. Bend on the left side. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale and exhale. Turn your body and both hands on the ground. Both elbow on the ground. Look down. Keep breathing. Push your opposite knee down. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale. Now this time both hands behind your back. Inhale and exhale. Lift your hip. Look up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, Inhale center. Exhale, relax. Sarath, are you well? What happened?
I'm tired.
Tired. Okay. Only 2-3 minutes. Then start pranayam. Okay. Now inhale. ये तो जेंटल स्ट्रेचिंग है, इसमें कोई वो नहीं है. इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल. राइट हैंड ऑन द लेफ्ट नी. लुक बैक. कीप ब्रीदिंग. 1 2 3 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Keep breathing. 1 2 3 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Look back. Keep breathing. 1 2 3 4. Inhale center. Exhale. Look back. Keep breathing. 1 2 3 4. Inhale center. Now relax. Now open your leg. Relax your hand. Relax your leg. Shake your hand. Shake your leg. Now knees up and down.